Appreciate you clicking on this video. Me and my wife went surf fishing this time, and water temp's getting up around 67, 68. Caught a variety of fish. Let's see what we got.
Camera. Get it, baby, get it. Get it. See if it's gonna be a shark. Be something we can keep for dinner. No, I was watching my pole and thinking about dinner. What we get, baby? What do we get? Daggone shark. Yep, it is a shark. He's got a little shark. It's a shark. It may have been on there. How are you?
Doing well. How are y'all?
Doing good, thank you. Better now. Better.
Hey, yes, it is.
It's going to just hold still.
They mentioned it.
Not if it'll hold still.
Oh, they jump in. He is quit.
Ooh, don't do that to me, please.
All the way up.
A blue. Very pretty. Like, who needs a hat? Get it, babe. Get it. We got a fish on? Good job, baby. That's awesome.
You ever seen their teeth?
No. Don't think so.
Ooh!
Oh my gosh. Yep, militia. You want pliers?
Yes.
Are you keeping it? Sure. Was that on the mullet?
Yeah. Out the head. Around there that I always complain about the seat going down.
We could have stuffed that thing. You?
You. You got it, baby. You got it. Oh, yeah. There you go. You got it. Stay where you at. Keep it tight.
He has. The video will be good. Audio, not so much.
Yeah, kind of like an alligator. Yeah, just you know.
Can you touch it again?
Appreciate it, boss.
Oh.
Can it cut you?
I don't think so.
No, it ain't like that.
No,
Go get her. Diddy, come on.
It ain't like rubbery, man.
it's like sandpaper.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Gonna keep him?
It's up to you. I'll keep him if you want.
We'll try it, yeah.
That's up to him.
Yeah.
You want it?
Man, why you want to keep it with
There you go. I grab him right behind that head. Grab him right, yeah, right there. There you go. You got it.
Can you touch it?
Oh, the baby. Do you want to keep it?
Not really.
Okay.
But if you want to, I will.
I mean, I would have eaten it, but that's okay. If you want to get rid of it, we can. We'll send it back.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll send it back. Send her back.
Yeah, you can set it. Oh, somebody's bored. I don't know if that's
That's
y'all.
the boys.
That's his.
Yeah, we'll put it back. Oh. Send it back. Email. I was like, how do you know? And he was like, catch one again. I'll show you.
That's the baby shark.
He said, no. Hi. I want to slip.
we was out there surf fishing and caught a variety of fish. We sit there and caught a couple sharks, bluefish, some whiting. I caught a flounder. We all know how I feel about the state of North Carolina's flounder season, but to each their own, you know. But I appreciate you watching this. We had a blast. My wife had a great time reeling in that shark. It was about 3.5 foot. Tightened up the drag for her. She got it in. It was just a good time. And please like, comment, hit the alert button, subscribe. I need all the help I can get. I hope y'all are enjoying this. I hope it's getting better. But like I always say, God bless, stay safe, and fish on.